Hi, my name is Dana Collette. I teach business law at Vancouver Island University in British Columbia, Canada. This short slideshow provides information only. It's not legal advice. You should speak with a lawyer if you have a problem that requires legal advice. To find a lawyer in BC, call the Lawyer Referral Service or go to their website. I'm going to talk about something near and dear in business, the basic requirements for a legally binding contract. Keep in mind that this video is going to highlight the basic requirements. There are all kinds of details and exceptions that are outside of the scope of the short video. First, you need an accepted offer. Lawyers refer to these separately as offer and acceptance. One person has made an offer that is clear and specific, and the other has agreed without adding anything. By adding or changing it, the other person would then be making a counteroffer. The contract has to be something legal, and you both have to intend to enter into a legally binding contract. For example, you offer to buy a car for $5,000 and the other person accepts your offer. The car can't be stolen, that would be illegal. If one of you doesn't go through with the car deal, you probably wouldn't be surprised if the matter went to court. So you intended to be legally bound to the contract. Contrast buying a car with two friends agreeing that one would supply the main meal and the other would bring wine to a house party. They'd be surprised to be sued if one didn't show up with their promised contribution. In our system, there has to be consideration for a valid contract. That means that there is an exchange of things of value as opposed to a one-sided promise or gift. One person agrees to do or provide something, or stop doing something, in exchange for the other person doing or providing something else, or not doing something else. In the example of selling the car, there is an exchange of a car for $5,000, both of value. Whereas if your father offered to give you a car, that would merely be a gift because there's no consideration. In order to form a legally binding contract, each party has to have the legal capacity to enter into a contract. That means that the parties have to be of legal age, 19 in BC, and of sound mind, not drunk, high, or insane. Being of sound mind means that the person was of clear enough mind to understand that they were agreeing to a contract. In the car example, both the buyer and seller must be adults and neither suffering from an altered mind such that they are unable to understand what they're agreeing to. In summary, to form a legally binding contract, you need three basic requirements. There's an accepted offer, valid consideration, and the parties have capacity to enter into a contract. Once again, keep in mind that this video only highlights the basic requirements. There are all kinds of important details and exceptions that are outside of the scope of a short video. Thanks for viewing the slideshow. I hope this short video on the basic requirements for contract was helpful. Have a great day.